Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm back. I ain't live no more right now. We're recording. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. So we here. I'm about to be on FL Studio, and we're gonna try to cook up something. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show, and this is the beat part of the show, man. Let's cut this off first, but we gon' get it, gon' get it, gon' get it, gon' get it, gon'. Yeah, baby, what up? So we back, and I'm on FL Studio, and I'm about to try to cook up something real quick. So let's do it. Let's see. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I have nothing in particular what I'm about to do. I'm about to just find me a plug-in, and we're gonna do a starter. You know, blatantly the fire starter's here, so let's get it in real quick. And yeah, man, let's see what we can come up with. Something. Let's get a vibe. Let's try to get a vibe. Pop some water real quick, right? Yeah, man. Agua. All right, so I'm on a vibe for like, let's go, normally I'm like 140, 160. So let's go 140, 160. What plugin do I want to use? We got so many, bro. I'm so glad I stopped my addiction. Look, I've been paying monthly. So let's go to one of these right now. Take advantage of, whoa, where's she at? All right, Analog Lab, there we go. We'll go there because we got mad sounds. Mad sounds in here, bro. Like, and I got it on Splice. I'm paying for this. And what's the other one? Splice. They got a lot. They even got a face plant now too. Splice, and there's a whole bunch. So check it out. What are we doing? Let's get a sound. That sounds nice. Psych. Now let's go to my sound bank. What we got? I need to start saving some of these like so as favorites. No. Let's explore. Let's go by type though, so. All right, we have that. So what we're gonna do. Let's find me a. No, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that right now. We ain't doing that right now. No. That sound alright though. I ain't gonna lie. All right, come on, let's get it. That sound like I could do something with that. I ain't gonna lie though. Got me thinking like, All right, let's go. I don't want to keep y'all waiting, so let me get to it. Can't see, bring this down a little bit. No, we didn't want to do that. See how we sound like. Definitely want to change the sound. Let's go. Choir, nah, we can go malt. Nah, not a pad though. Try to. Let's go to my keys. Now the thing is, like, doing this, bro, is just trying to find the right sound. So you can be here hours and hours and hours. But I ain't gonna keep y'all for an hour. We're gonna just find a quick sound. Kick, snare, hi-hat. Leave that as the starter. And then I'll come back later and work on it. I just want to give y'all a sound and a vibe. Because I'm back. I'm back recording. I got the content and everything. I got the vlogs, everything now. And yeah, got the show coming back. Got the show coming back blatantly in a bit. And you know, I ain't playing. See, those are RP. I don't want to ARP. Oh, wait a minute. Let's go out 140 though. Oh, wait a minute. No, we gotta change that, yeah. Might be some there. Well, we need the right key though. I gotta get that out the photo. I hate that I did that. We getting there. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was crazy. Yeah, I gotta go back and put those the files in there because I'm like, I just thought I needed the one thing and I put the wave files separate. I just left in the folder. I said I don't need it, but now I know. So yeah, we gotta go back. But I got so many freaking sounds. I'm like, I do that little by little. Oh. Yeah, man, come on. We're going to get there. Yeah, when I heard that, I'm like, that has to be like chords for sure. We're gonna find it. We're gonna stick with this sound. I'm gonna stick with this sound, but I'm gonna find one of these midis real quick and see how they rock. Just do a quick kick real quick. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go get a snare real quick. Just do a snare. Hold on. Gotta move down on over. Let's go. We almost there. My bad. We almost there. What happened to my camera, bruh? I don't know what happened. I'm back though. I don't know what happened, bro. That's crazy. I'm back. Look. All right, we back. We back. Let's get back. Let's get back to the drums. My camera went off. I don't know what happened. My bad. We here, baby. Start it again from the beginning. Almost there. Ah. Come on, baby. There we go. I want something like that. We almost there. Run that back, run that back. Just need that last part real quick. We almost there, baby. I'm almost there, baby. That's what's crazy, because it takes so long to do your drums sometimes. But I'm a noob. One thing, I'm still learning like the whole FL Studio. I'm getting the rust off. I haven't, like I said before, if you watch me on my lives, I haven't been on since I haven't been recording and stuff. Well, I said recording. I haven't been on FL Studio since like FL10. And when I was on FL Studio 10, I was rapping and stuff. I was recording. I was using it recording. I was doing that myself, so, and I would just mess around with the beats, but now I'm really diving back in with the beats. But I do got my MPC here, you see, and we're going to get along. We're going to be doing some videos of that too. But right now we over here just working on something, trying to get a little vibe. And I've heard this, but I was going to change the sound. I don't think I am. So we're just going to let this rock get a little hi-hat in, and we're going to move on to something else real quick. Yes, sir. Let's get a hi-hat. Matter of fact, this one I want to separate it because I like to do. There we go. You know, no, I'll go with 64. Control B, there we go. And I'm gonna double it up. I'm gonna clone it because I like to go like regular, then switch up the hi-hat real quick. Watch this. So we're gonna go right here, baby. Let's go to this quick one real quick. So I'm gonna make that on 5. Where you at? Where you at? Where you went? See what happened real quick. Let's see what happened real quick, baby. Now I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna clone this and I'm gonna make that 6. All right, so I'm gonna go snare. We're gonna go snare. All right, okay. What's up? Packing the Mac in the back and acting ain't wanna. Was about to say something. Watch your mouth. Don't say it. Just spread. Bang, bang. Chitty, 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 bang, bang. I don't want to smoke. I don't even know if nigga want to. Yeah, we're gonna keep that. I could cut that in and out. So 7, I'm gonna clone this one more time because I want to see what this is gonna sound like. See what that. Let's see, or at least I want to see what like. I mean, that's cool, but it's not cool because I can't. Now that's it on the note that I got. All right, so we're good there. I just want to switch it real quick, like a. No. Something like that, I guess. Nah, we should probably gonna go back. Probably gonna go back. Trying to see what else we got in here. Yeah, we're gonna keep. Let's undo that. We'll do that. All right, cool. All right, so let's bring this up real quick. I'm gonna go erase this, let that rock. No, let this go one more time. Make sure that's off, so we should be good now. Yes, sir. And I just wanted to keep it light real quick. Welcome to the Blatant Show. Just want to do a little quick starter, you know what I mean? I had to get my lighting and set up everything once again, but we back. And I'm gonna stick with my Sony camera. This is the Sony camera right now, so when I'm on, we on, and we sticking with this one, baby, for sure. So let's add a little more. We're gonna be out. I ain't gonna hold y'all too much. We got that. We got that there. All right. What else am I gonna add real quick? Well, I know. Let's throw this on real quick. Throw ozone on real quick to get a little quick master, change it real quick. And one thing I like about that, because I'm like, all right, cool, that's what it might sound like with my speakers. But you see, I got my monitors here too. And I do got a bigger speaker, my studio PA speaker. Oh, yeah, that thing bumps. It's not a studio speaker. These are studio speakers, the monitors. The monitor right here, these are studio speakers. But this PA speaker I got, the Rockville, they all Rockville. I love Rockville. So ain't an ad, but damn, they fire. All right, let's throw this on real quick. Yeah, bro, there's so much other stuff I could throw on, but we ain't doing that right now. We ain't doing it. This joint better be recorded, so I would have been mad if it wasn't. All right, let's go ahead. So it's like an AI. It does a quick AI master for you. Now watch it go. It messes up. Here we go, real quick. Right there, we hear that? That's when it's doing its thing. It's building a master chain. There we go. Now you hear that difference? Hell yeah. You can't tell me you don't hear the difference. I hear the difference, baby. Oh. This light work, though. This light work. Let's say this. We'll get a quick name for a starter. Call it started space fights. Sound like something that'll be on Star Fox, bro. Like if we had Star Fox right now on the Xbox or the PlayStation or PC, I mean, we could still play it because they got it on the Switch. But what I'm saying, like an upgraded version, this could be like the intro coming in or something. Or this could be like a little intro for one of y'all movies. Y'all want a movie or something? You can throw this in your score. Holler at me. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, look, right here, you could right here. Hit me there. Hit me there. Hit me there. You can hit me in the DM. You can hit me wherever. But yeah, hit me there. So this is the email. And then hit me here too, because I'm going to have stuff there. And that's my contact, bro. But, you know, it's blatantly everything. And then, you know, it's right there. Blatantly Blatant Show in the back. You know what I mean? In the back. But, hey, man, we out. Let's let this rock. It masters. So, it's the Blatantly Blatant Show. We out, baby. Oh, yeah. Just hit the button, but this ain't hit the button because I ain't lying. But, man, hit the button. Start that from the tippy top. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, right? Tell them niggas I'm back. Tell them niggas I'm back. Niggas playing with me. With me. Tell them niggas I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Look. I said, hey, dog, why you play with me? What you think this game's, don't you? Okay. Wait till I really get on. MJ Smooth Criminal, they don't want to play with me, dog. Ha. But